Hi Boilermakers, we're coming to you today from Mackey Arena. March Madness is here. Here's what you need to know right now from Purdue University. As enrollment grows in Indianapolis, Purdue has purchased the property at 518 and 520 Indiana Avenue, formerly the home of Schultz and Pogue. It's a two-story facility located at the intersection of West Street and Indiana Avenue. We are just a few weeks away from Springfest. Activities will run from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturday, April 12th around Memorial Mall. The spring football game will also kick off that day at noon. Caltech president and quantum expert Thomas Rosenbaum is the next presidential lecture series guest. He will join President Mung Chiang for a fireside chat on Thursday, April 10th at 6:30 in Fowler Hall. And the Purdue men's basketball team continues their March Madness run as a 4 seed in the Midwest Regional after defeating High Point in the first round Thursday. Have a great week and go Boilers!